Hello,
Yes.
Brother.
Yes.
It's Conrad. I had a question about reward because I heard that if someone gives
Tzedakah, yeah.
and that tzedakah with Hashem's help to do a Jew do Teshuvah, then you get like 310 worlds, and all the mitzvot he does, you receive because you took part in helping him
Yes.
become a Baal Teshuvah.
Yes.
So my question is, if a Noahide gives tzedakah and with Hashem's help, many Jews do Teshuvah, does that Noahide receive the same reward as a tzaddik Jew
No.
in Gan Eden, or does he have to convert?
No. He has to convert. That's you see, you can get 310 words if in that part of the Gan Eden. So, but if a person been Noahide and I have to fight with this Noahide, and they tell me they drive me crazy, and I tell them that like some people got the message. So like I said, it's you created your own religion. They send me this like Sidur, some compilation of halachas. I don't remember what was it called, and it was approved by Rabbi's son. I'm not sure if it was him, but he said clearly, I did not read, but it's I did not read completely. It's one of my letters. It's just a blessing for that person. I think he's doing a great job. But that person, this person who wrote this Noahide book, this rabbi, he did research and went through all of the sources. I mean, I don't know how long it did take him, right? But sometimes he said, and this is accepted opinions, and we will look. So me and my Havrosa, we actually look into it, and it's not accepted, and it's minority of the minority of the minority. And when that rabbi spoke, he was speaking about something else. So, but these poor people, and right, so they decided they want to do their own religion. They want their synagogues. They say I don't know all of these things, right? Where they want the siddur. Can I do this? Can I do that? Can I do Shabbos? And with this Shabbos, I have to fight with it. Right before the class, they push me. Can I do this, that? Like too much. You understand? So, and they have only limited responsibilities, so they cannot get the same reward. Like to be a Jew, for example, to be a Jewish man, you have to learn. It says in the Torah, day and night. Day and night. So if you find, and the Talmud says, if you find this time there is not day and not time, so you can watch TV. You understand? But there's no such a time. So you have to learn Torah constantly. You have to be involved in the mitzvahs constantly. Like that's it. So and compared to reward with somebody else who almost does not do anything, like it's not true.
Thank you, Rav.
You're welcome. Good question. Okay, who else?